This is the logo of our product Squash Shake with Oreo under product management handled by Mambaid, prepared by Group 3. The composition of our logo is made out of our main ingredients to easily recognized by the customer. As you can see on the screen, the logo represents the three main ingredients. The cup design associated with the squash in its color dark yellow with Oreo vanilla cookies and chocolate wafer stick on the toppings. We come up to this design of our logo to establish the information about our product Squash Shake with Oreo. All of our members agreed on this logo design. The lettering of our logo is white and blue and black in order easily to read, with the background sky blue.